Well, is your umbrella liability policy enough? And what is an umbrella policy? Joining us this morning is Woodard Peay. He's from the Welch group. He's going to explain a little bit of this for you after somebody wrote in with a very good question. So that is the first question that some people might ask. What is an umbrella policy?
Well, an umbrella policy is designed to work in concert with your homeowner's policy and auto policy. Both of those policies, the homeowner's policy would be required that you have liability coverage by the mortgage lender. The state of Alabama requires that you have liability coverage to operate an automobile in Alabama. The umbrella policy is designed to cover you against risk over and above those limits. Typically that's 300 to 500,000 would be the limits on those former policies. The umbrella policy would cover above that. So you're really insuring against a catastrophic risk.
Right.
Unlikely to happen. The good news is it's very cheap.
Yeah, it's very cheap. And so if somebody's going to sue you, you hope not, you don't want to lose your shirt. And that's kind of what they're covering, right?
That's exactly it. Some people might question, well, I don't have, and let me back up, the umbrella policies typically come in units of $1 million of coverage. A lot of people may say, I'm not worth $1 million. Right. Why do I need that? In an extreme case, they could garnish your wages. Beyond that, if someone has accumulated some assets, $1 million is probably not out of line because it only costs you about $250 per year. Unlikely you're ever going to collect on it or file a claim, but that's good news. Right.
All right. And so now, if you have more than that, if you do have a large assets, and we say large, I mean that's really respective to where you are in life right now financially, but you really maybe need to up that coverage, don't you?
You could, and it's somewhat circumstantial. An insurance agent, a CFP, could help you with that a little bit, but typically I would say if you are a high-profile profession, a physician, a business owner, if you have multiple properties and people coming in onto your property to do work for you, contractors, or if you have a little bit of a lifestyle where you're out late at night and driving home,
you never know.
That would add to it. So you might consider having at least the amount of your assets.
You need to cover your derriere, as they say. Oh, real quickly now, there is a free money expo that's going on at Carver High School March the 7th. What will happen there for folks?
There's a couple of great speakers, including my associate Stewart, Welch, who will be speaking. There are a bunch of CFPs, such as myself, who are available for one-on-one sessions with someone who brings in their particular case facts, their family needs, and we'll talk to them for probably 30 minutes and help.
So expert financial advice for free.
Absolutely,
for anybody.
For free.
All right.
It should be a lot of fun.
Thank you. So, by the way, CFP is a certified financial planner, just so you know. All right, coming up.